Welcome back to Create a Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add a boot to advanced startup options to the Windows 11 or 10 context menu. For this, you need to open Registrator. So click on this one Start button and here type registry and then click on its entry to open it on your PC. In the address bar, copy and paste this one path from this video description and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to cell key directly. On the cell key, right click and select here new and then key option. You need to name it as advanced advanced startup and then press enter on the keyboard. Now right click on this one advanced startup key and select here new and then a string value, this one a string value, name it MUI VERB MUI VERB and then click outside, then double click on this one MUI verb and name it whatever you want to see in the context menu, such as boot to advanced startup options. Then click on this one OK button. Again right click on this one advanced key, select new and then a string value, this one. Now name it position, POSITION. Click outside, double click on this one position value and name it bottom, type bottom in the value data field. Then click on this one OK button. Again right click on this one advanced startup, select new and then key option. You need to select key option this time. In lowercase type here command. Click outside. Now you will see default regSZ on the right side of the advanced key. Double click on this one and here copy and paste this one shutdown from this one video description .exe space slash r space slash o space slash f slash space slash t space 00 and then click on this one OK button to save the changes. Now close this one registrator and right click on the desktop on the free space. For Windows 10 for Windows 11 you need to click this one show more options and you can see boot to advanced options, boot to advanced startup options. On Windows 10 you need to just right click and you can select this one option, boot to advanced startup options. To restart your PC in boot, restart your PC and boot to advanced options. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching.